This last website is one that I'm really passionate about and love using, and I wanted to share it because I haven't used it a whole lot, but the times that I have used it have been really awesome for my students, and they have enjoyed it so much. So, this is actually a resource I found while student teaching, and it's been a long time since I've used it because I just came back across it. But this is the San Diego Zoo webpage for kids. And this is a really neat one for science. So, in the past, when I've used it, we looked through to find and learn about new animals. And so, as you can see, you can scroll through and learn more about all different things. One that I know my kids would love to learn about is the African penguin. They always talk about penguins. But the other really neat thing that I love about this is they have live webcams of these animals actually in their zoo. So if you click on it, it will pull up this link and you can watch the animals in the San Diego Zoo live on screen. As you can see, the polar bear is not in the view, so that's one downfall, is that you don't always get to see the animals. But when they are on there, it's really neat and interesting. Another thing that they have is some different stories that you can read with your kids. So this one's really cool, Caring for Platypuses. And you get to learn a little bit more about these animals and what their life looks like. They also have different activities where you can do arts and crafts with your students. You can print coloring sheets. Way down here, they have different activities you can do, such as creating a flamingo friend or a panda pal, some door hangers, just different projects that would be really fun for science with younger students. They have different games you can play. So, Living Legends, Word Safari with monarch butterflies, being able to look at and find different words, and word searches online. That's awesome. As well as that, they have some different things down here that you can click on just to kind of guide students through, learn more maybe about arthropods, and kind of categorize those different things. You can also go in and, if they want, they can look at how they can help save animals. I think this is a really educational resource to help students just learn a little bit more, find out more about animals, even plants they have. And it's just such a fun resource that I wanted to be able to share with everyone in this class, because those that work with younger students, this would be really cool for exploration. And for some of you who work with older students, this would be great for like a research project on these different animals. So this is the San Diego Zoo Wildlife Explorers page for kids.